Hi there, are you a filmmaker, a film producer, a videographer, even an enthusiast, and you want to be able to edit very, very well? You want to be able to edit your own film. You want to be able to take things from this to this.
You have 2 minutes, 5 seconds to go agent frame. You can quit now, and your account will still be hidden.
Here is the right corner for you, because I am going to be walking you through an amazing course. You are going to be learning the secrets to becoming a professional video editor, okay? And I'm going to be guiding you from the ground level, like nothing, and I'm going to be guiding you through becoming a master at this video editing thing, okay? I'm going to be showing you how to add effects to your video, how to add transitions, how to color grade, how to color correct, the entire thing that will make your production even if you don't have any prior experience on video editing or Premiere Pro. I know the software is very dark. Most times when you look at it, it's just staring at you and it's very scary. But I'm going to be making this procedure fast, okay? And very efficient for you. And wait. One big thing is that this course is entirely free. Yes, you heard me well. Free of charge, okay? All you need to do is to click on the link at the description and enroll for free. So there's no need to waste any time. Click on that link because I want you to be part of the train of the upcoming vibrant and creative editors, okay? So see you in class.